Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to accept credit card payments on your WooCommerce store? In this video, we will guide you throughout on how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce in 2024, allowing you to take payments seamlessly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So as you can see guys, here I am on my WordPress website, so go ahead and click on dashboard and basically log into it. Here on the menu, go ahead to plugins and search for add new, and from here simply search for Stripe. And here will be Stripe for WooCommerce plugin that will be available for you to actually download, as you can see in this area. Now, what is Stripe for WooCommerce exactly? Well, Stripe for WooCommerce has so many benefits. It optimizes your checkout experience by boosting conversion. It provides an optional experience across mobile, tablet, and desktop with a responsive checkout. And offer like Apple Pay and Google Pay out of the box. It expands your customer base. Convert customers who would usually abandon their cards and increase average order value with buy now, pay later options like Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm. Accept credit and debit card payments from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and Diners. It meets existing customer demand and localizes the experience. So, Stripe offers local payment methods such as Bank Contact, Boleto, Cash App Pay, APS, GiroPay, IDEO, Multibanco, OXXO. There's this one, I don't know its name, and SEPA Direct Debit. It fights the fraud, so it can detect and prevent fraud with Stripe Radar, which offers seamless integrated powerful fraud detection tools that use machine learning to detect and flag potential fraudulent transactions. They accept in-person payments for products and services, so you can use the Stripe Terminal M2 card reader or get started with no additional hardware using Tap to Pay on iPhone or Tap to Pay on Android. It has support subscriptions, so supports recurring payments with various payment methods via WooCommerce subscriptions. It can manage your cash flow, so you can get paid within minutes with Stripe Instant Payout if eligible. You can achieve PCI DSS compliance with Stripe Elements hosted input fields and support strong customers authentication. So these are some more benefits, like its drive 11.9% in revenue with an optimized checkout experience from Stripe. Changing consumer behavior has resulted in an explosion of payment methods and experiences, which are great for increasing conversion and lowering the costs, but can be difficult for businesses to maintain and give customers a best-in-class checkout experience while you remain focused on your core business. Businesses using the new checkout experience from Stripe saw 11.9% from revenue on average. The new checkout experience can help customers increase conversion by providing a great shopper experience that helps convert buyers, expand your customer base by offering more payment methods, including popular buy now, pay later methods to appeal to more audiences. It reduces time and effort by saving administration time and streamline operations. So these are the main things. So this is how it looks, as you can see. So it's pretty clean. The checkout page is very good. It is very simple. It has only the necessary informations and very clear, like the roadmap in it. The UI, which is the user interface, is pretty simple. When you buy something, the messages, the icons, everything, even the invoice that will be created for you, is well designed, very clean. It seems like something that everyone would like to see. So as you can see here, for example, it doesn't really ask too many questions. When you are trying to buy something on any store, you will be finding yourself on the checkout page having to write your whole entire life in there, while they only need your name and the address and maybe a contact information like the email and the phone number. Here with the Stripe plugin, it gives you everything that you need. It even gives you, like, beside it is simple, it is like it gives you all the feed that you need. It's very good looking, it's very organized, and it's very appealing to the eye, as you can see. And the best thing about it, as I mentioned, this is for phone and this is for PC. Yeah, it works on both devices. Maybe on phone it's even much better. It doesn't really have any lags, anything like that, so it's really good. And as you can see, it can expand your customer base, so you can convert customers who might otherwise abandon their carts with a buy now pay later method like Klarna, etc., etc. So this is something that is very, very good. It can deliver a localized payment experience with out-of-the-box support for localized error messages, right to left languages, and automatic adjustments of inputs fields based on payment method and country. So it really will adjust depending on the payment method and the country, and yeah, it will be very good. And also there is the Stripe radar, there is the Stripe website, which will give you a full analytics about all the sales, all the things that you have been doing throughout your history. So you can find everything in there. You can analyze the graphics, view the reports, and basically check every payment if it has been proceed or not yet. So the details that are being mentioned within WooCommerce, or basically Stripe and WooCommerce, are gonna be humongous and very helpful. Now, also, as I mentioned before, there is this in-person payment. They have this tool which they can pay through it, so this is very good. You can get paid using this tool, or basically do not get it, just simply use your phone, just scan with your camera, and the app will basically scan it and pay you the amount of money that you want to get paid. So as I mentioned, guys, to get started with it, you have to start on WooCommerce or WordPress. After you install it, make sure that it is very activated, and you will find it normally within the WooCommerce section. Now it cannot be activated since I don't have the WooCommerce plugin. As you can see, it must be active, so both WooCommerce and WooCommerce Stripe Gateway must be active within your site. To activate them, you simply have to go ahead here, check them both, and go right here, click on activate, click on apply, and they should be good to go. Once you have done that, simply just turn on the option of the Stripe Gateway on your WooCommerce payments method, and yeah, you will be good to go. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. For those who want to buy this tool, which is gonna be sold on Stripe itself, so you can get it from Stripe in case you wanted it. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. We try my best to cover all the comment section. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.